Hello guys, welcome back to streamlabhq, your go-to source for all things Kodi. To my amazing subscribers, I want to thank you all for your unwavering support. And if you are new here, I want to invite you to join our growing community of Kodi enthusiasts by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification. Today I'm going to share with you how to add the Rising Tides add-on to your Kodi app. This particular add-on is very okay for sports lovers, for TV shows, for movies and the rest. And this particular build works on this method works on all Kodi enabled devices like your Amazon Fire Stick, your Fire TV Stick for 4K, your Fire TV Cube, your Fire Stick Lights, new Fire Stick 4K, Android mobiles, tablets, Windows, and any other device that supports Kodi. So this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial, and I will encourage you to stick to the guides from the beginning to the finish, so you not make any mistake while installing yours. And it's going to be a very clear and step-by-step tutorial, so just make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the first thing you have to do is to go to settings, click on system, and on this left hand side you'll see add-ons. Then you click on add-ons. Then I want you to turn on this unknown sources. When you turn it on, you'll be able to install repository files from different external sources. So click it, and I'll click yes. So it's on now. So I'll go back to the home page again, and on this page I'll click on file manager. Okay, then I'll click on add source. On this page I'll click none. Okay, you have to be careful when you get to this point. I want you to make sure you type this URL the same exact way I'm going to type it. And I'm going to leave a quick disclaimer. This tutorial is purely educational, and streamlabhq does not own, we don't host or operate or resell or distribute any streaming apps or add-ons or IPTVs. And the page and this particular channel contains some unverified services, which you are not certain whether they hold legal license to distribute the content. But then you have to you just have to do your due diligence if you want to use any of the unverified services, and stream only the content that is available to the public domain. You understand? So you, the end user, is solely responsible for any media you want to access with this Kodi app. This tutorial, like I said earlier, is purely for educational purposes. So with that being said, I want you to enter this URL the same exact way I'm going to enter it now, and make sure you don't make any mistake while entering yours. So it's going to be http .xyz. And also remember that it's case sensitive, so you're going to type it exactly the same way I'm typing it now. I will leave the link on the screen, and you can also pause the video so you don't make any mistakes. So that is the URL. Okay, this is the official URL for the repository. So you click OK here. Okay, I'm going to leave the media file source name as K19, and I'll click OK. Okay, you can see it's been added to our file manager. So I'll go back to the home page and click add-ons. So we're going to do the installation from a zip file. So I'll click on install from zip file here. Then we choose the media file source name, which is K19. Okay, and I'll click on this zip file and allow it to install. To take a few seconds. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, it has already installed. So after doing that, you click on install from repository, and you click on this Rising Tides repository. Okay, then I want you to choose video add-ons when you get to these points. Okay, and then we're going to choose this Rising Tides, this first one. Okay, and click on install. When this option pops up, you click OK and allow it to download and install. Okay, I have to. Okay, it's already installing. I would have paused the video, but it's very fast. So I'll pause the video till when the installation is complete. So the installation is completed now, guys. So that is just how to install the Rising Tides add-on to your Kodi. So if you want to use this add-on, you have to go back to the home page. Okay, and you click on add-ons here. Okay, you can already see. Okay, you click on video add-ons and you click on this. Once you open this, you'll be able to access all the contents of this particular build. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. And please, if you actually found what you're looking for in this particular video, I will encourage you to please subscribe. That's the only support I'm asking for right now. If you found this video helpful, just hit the subscribe button, please. It encourages me a lot to do more for you guys. And before the weekend runs out, I will still upload more current builds. So you just need to subscribe so you stay updated with the latest Kodi add-ons, so you don't miss out any of them. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.